Border closure by the Chinese government due to COVID-19 outbreak has affected Nigeria's manpower training in China for the proposed local manufacturing of the first made-in-Nigeria helicopter. This was disclosed in Kaduna by the Executive Vice Chairman of the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NASENI, Professor Mohammed Sani Haruna. The NASENI chief also inspected projects which will soon be commissioned by President Mohammed. Our correspondent Lupe Assam reports.
The Aeronautic and Air Vehicle Equipment Development Institute is a new institute of the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NASENI, which was approved by President Mohammed as the Center for NASENI Assembly of the first made-in-Nigeria helicopter. The institute, which is located at the Air Force Institute of Technology in Kaduna, has the mandate to research and develop spare parts, components and systems of aeronautic and air vehicle technologies. The NASENI team, led by the Executive Vice Secretary, on Monday visited AFIT authorities to finalize the site takeover and design. The visit was also to strategize on the commencement of construction work to fast-track the project, which will be commissioned by the President before the end of his administration.
At least the launching of the first made-in-Nigeria helicopter will take place in AFIT. And that is the reason. And that is one of the reasons why we are here with full force, so that by the time Mr. President will be here, we'll not only launch the helicopter, we'll launch 1 or 2 workshops of the Institute. We had some challenges because it's only yesterday that the Chinese have started opening their borders as a result of COVID-19. That has affected some of the plant we have designed and handed over to them to manufacture for us. That has delayed that. Also, the training of some of our experts in China has been delayed due to these challenges.
The commandant expressed excitement at the collaboration and promised to maximize it for the benefit of AFIT and the Air Force. The NASENI chief also visited Afaka to inspect the ongoing NASENI Automobile Supplier Industrial Park. 3 billion naira was approved by the federal government for the construction of this park in 3 locations in the country. The NASENI chief says on completion, it will unlock the opportunities in the automotive sector as well as potentials in the manufacturing industry with a view of creating employment and skilled labor in Nigeria.
All major vehicles, the common vehicles we use here, their spare parts should be available here. And the manufacturers of such vehicles should be able to have a location here and produce the spare part here, so that in the process of doing so, it will create employment, it will lead to some technology acquisition. So it is our target that it is possible to commission this in March 2023.
Once fully completed and equipped, the automotive park will be self-sustaining and the government revenue source, which will put an end to the importation of vehicle spare parts. It is also intended to provide the Nigerian Army Vehicle Manufacturing Company with the needed support in the production of armored vehicles. Lupe Assam, TVC News, Kaduna.